this is me Aditi, and today in this video I am going to talk about the Solimo room heater. This room heater is perfect for anyone looking to keep their home warm during the colder months. It features a copper winded motor that provides 2400 rotations per minute and works on 2000 watts, generating enough heat to keep a small to medium sized room warm. The heater also comes with two knobs and variable thermostat settings, so you can manage the amount of heat depending on the outside temperature. The Solimo room heater is designed to be safe from overheating with an automatic switch off function if it reaches temperatures of 130 degrees Celsius, as well as a safety fuse that goes off when it reaches temperature of 126 degrees Celsius. The plastic body of the heater is fire retardant and features a metal grill which keeps a copper element securely locked in, making it a safe option for home and families. So if you are looking for an effective and efficient room heater, check out the Solimo room heater today.
Presenting the Solimo 2000 watt room heater. It is available in two color variants of beige and white. Solimo room heater provides effective heating with its copper winded motor, which gives 2400 rotations per minute and works on 2000 watts, generating enough heat to keep a small to medium sized room warm. It is lightweight at 1.15 kg and is easy to carry between rooms. This heater is equipped to be safe from overheating, designed to automatically switch the motor off if it reaches temperatures of 130 degrees Celsius. Also present is a safety fuse, which goes off when the heater reaches temperatures of 126 degrees Celsius. The plastic body of the heater is fire retardant and features a metal grill which keeps the copper element securely locked in, making it a safe option for homes and families. The heater comes with two knobs and variable thermostat settings, allowing you to manage the amount of heat depending on the outside temperature. It is wall mountable and can be easily mounted on a wall away from the reach of children in either horizontal or vertical manner. Inside the box, you can find the room heater and instruction manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Solimo 2000 watt room heater. There is almost no information on this box except that this particular room heater can be used to heat home and kitchen, and that's more or less it. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. There you go. This is what you find inside the box. We also have a safety and instruction manual for the Solimo room heater. This is the 2000 watt room heater. The model number for this one is SOLWMX RH01. This is RH01. All that you need to know, there are diagrams, there are warnings, cleaning and maintenance instruction, general usage instruction, operating instructions. Everything is here. And this is the room heater in question. Okay, this is a heater, not a blower. Not a blower. So basically, the filaments inside, they will start glowing, and with a power output of 2000 watts. And heat the entire room in question. It can be used for your home, for your bedroom, it can be used in your kitchen, it can also be used in a living room area as well. And this particular heater has a power output of 2000 watts. So this is a 2000 watt heater. Not just that, you will notice that through these vents there is a fan. So once you start using this, the fan will start blowing the heat outside as hot air. These two dials are for that purpose. The first dial, this is the dial that you use to control the fan speed. So this is off. This is when you start in 1 and 2. And this is what controls the temperature. This being the lowest and this being the highest temperature. On the other end, you have a 3-pin, 15 ampere 3-pin plug. This is a very thick 15 ampere 3-pin plug. And it comes with a very thick PVC wire as well, which is at least a meter long by the looks of it. Unfortunately, I don't have a power outlet that will carry a 15 ampere 3 pin, so I can't show you what this actually sounds like when you start it on. But this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Solimo 2000 watt room heater. Thank you for watching.